Go home happy with the 2020 Hyundai Kona. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at the sophisticated and versatile Kona. This fun-loving subcompact crossover delivers distinctive style, a comfortable cabin, touchscreen infotainment, advanced safety features, and a spirited, agile driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, power driver seat, heated front seat, electronic stability control. Don't miss the chance to drive a fresh sense of fun into your daily commute. Get into this agile and connected Kona. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.